Sunday morning, 6:30 AM. Unusually for me a midgie net, but they are quite bad this morning. Well, I've got a 13-kilometre walk to my first peak. Pretty straightforward, although it's very high. The only thing I don't like about it is the Chalamet Gap. This is the Chalamet Gap, and if you're doing Braeriach as an out and back trip, you've got to cross it twice. So just once today for me. And safely out the other side. Now the other infuriating thing about this hike is I've now got to drop a couple of 100 metres into the pass, the Lara Gru, and then it's a long slog up the shoulder of Braeriach, which is coming into view now. This is the Lara Gru, down across the burn, up the other side and up that big shoulder of Braeriach that's rising in front of me. First glimpse of Braeriach summit. It's a bit off though, still a bit to go. Third highest point in the land, and my favourite summit. CQ, SOTA, CQ summits on the air. This is Mike 0, Echo Foxtrot India, portable, calling CQ from the summit of Braeriach in the Cairngorms, from Golf Mike Echo Sierra 002, QRZ.
Mike 0, Echo Foxtrot India, portable, Golf Mike 4 Oscar Alpha Sierra, in India Oscar 76, Charlie X-ray, Malake. You are 5 and 3, over.
So, it's Golf Mike 0 Alpha X-ray, you're 5 and 8, 5 and 8, into Berghaus.
Yeah, good morning Ken, thank you for 5-8, you're 5-9 to me onto Braeriach, QSL.
QSL, the 5 and 9 there on Braeriach, and good on you being up there. Take care. Cheers. 7,
Okay, there was a Mike 7 station in there, then you got stamped on. Go again. Mike 7, Sierra Whiskey Mike. Stuart, good morning. You're quite weak. You're just readable, about 2x2, 2x2, QSL.
QSL 2x2, you're 3 and 4 with me, 34, over.
GM4 Charlie, on Mike 0, Romeo Fox November.
I think Jack was in there. Golf Mike 4, Charlie Oscar X-ray.
Good morning, Fraser. How are you doing this beautiful day? Nice to hear you on top of Braeriach, and I think it might be a complete for me, Fraser. I don't know what time to on Braeriach. Anyway, good morning to you, and it sounds like you've had quite a few days expedition, over.
QRZ.
2 Mike 0 Whiskey Tango November.
2 Mike 0 Whiskey Tango November. Good morning, Alistair. Yeah, it's still morning. You're 5-9 up to Braeriach, 5-9 QSL.
Yeah, thanks for the 5-9, Fraser. You're a 5 and 5, 55 as clear as a bell, Roger.
QRZ.
GM4 KJQ.
GM4 KJQ. Good morning, Ron. You're 5-9. Beautiful signal up onto Braeriach. Over.
Active. Yeah, 5 and 9 also, and super signal. You're getting the weather for it, and a lot of contacts there. So 5 and 9 on ES 002. Excellent, and enjoy the day. Mike 0 Echo Fox India, portable GM4 KJQ. All the best, Fraser.
QRZ, last call. This is Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India, portable, calling CQ summits on the air. CQ summits on the air from Golf Mike Echo Sierra 002, QRZ. Okay, nothing heard. I'm going QRT and on to the next one, which is about 2 or 3 hours away. Thanks everyone. Excellent, 8 in the log on 2 meters. Time to have a drink. I'm going to drink all of my water because I'm confident I'll be able to replenish my supplies at the embryonic stream, which is the highest source of the River Dee. Well, that was the most fun I've had all weekend. It's a stunning place, this. So the next limit is a little bump you see way over there, but I've got to do a massive U-shaped walk to get to it because there's a deep cleft of a valley with a loch in it. So around the plateau we go. This is the River Dee. Well, this is its highest source, and I think it's the highest source of any river in the UK, but you'd better fact check me on that one. You can see it's quite pleasant walking across this plateau. It's granite, gravelly soil, a bit of grass, nothing too serious. However, I've got to cross the edge of the Great Moss, and that's a bit of a riot. Rocks, rivers, bogs, rocks, rivers, bogs, repeat. That's my way around, down around the Great Moss and up to Sgor, my final summit. Well, that's the finale over there, summit number 9, and the view from the top is spectacular. Well, I've finally reached the Great Moss, and last time I was here I got caught in all this horrible rocky, rivery, boggy stuff. So I'm going to take a longer route. I'm going to head for this loch and try and head up the hill at the back of it. It's a bit longer, but I'm hoping I can circuit right round above all the really rough ground, because I'm really not in the mood for that with this heavy pack on. Yep, although longer, this has been much better. I've managed to stay on reasonably smooth ground, but I've still got to get up there. Now it feels like I'm getting somewhere. Next stop, the top. Whew, yes, final summit. Sgor. What a place. Now, I don't often wear a midgie net, but the little blighters are terrible up here. Here's the station, look. KX2, 41 foot random wire, right at the top of the finest radio station in the land. Here's midgies. These are killer midgies. Right, let's go. This is Mike 0 Echo Foxtrot India, portable calling CQ summits on the air from Golf Mike Echo Sierra 009 QRZ. Oh, was that Charlie Juliet Mike? Go again. Can't work like this. Yeah, thank you for 5x5. Thank you for the call. 73. Station ending Echo Hotel. Go again. 2 Echo 0 Foxtrot Echo Hotel. Good afternoon, Carl. I'm glad it's you. You're 5'9". You've qualified the summit for me. That's 9 out of 9. Thanks, mate. Yeah, thanks very much for 5'5", and thanks for calling in. I'm glad it was you, mate. You're a brilliant chaser. 7-3. Station ending Kilo Mexico.
Yeah, Papa Alpha 5, Kilo Mike. Papa Alpha 5, Kilo Mexico. You're 5 and 3 in the clear. 53 in the clear. To yourself. 2 at Golf Whiskey 6 Oscar Victor Delta.
Station ending Victor Delta.
Golf Whiskey 6 Oscar Victor Delta. You're positive 5x2, 5x2. 2 Echo 0, Echo Sugar Yankee.
2 Echo 0 Echo Sierra Yankee. Good afternoon. You're around about 5.5, 55 QSL.
Yeah, QSL Fraser, good afternoon. Thanks for 55, you're 53 today, over.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks for 53. I'm happy with that. And thanks for the call, 7-3.
Yeah, thanks for another summit, 7-3, bye-bye.
Thanks, bye-bye. QRZ. QRZ, Mike 0, Echo Foxtrot, India, portable. Any calls? Okay, nothing heard. I'm going to QSY at 2 meters. Thank you so much, everyone. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Smashed it on 40. Oh, the midges are horrendous. Right, I'm going to do a quick joust on 2 for the locals. Okay, I promised the locals I'd try this on 2 meters. CQ Summits on the air, CQ SOTA, CQ Summits on the air. Mike 0, Echo Foxtrot, India, portable. Calling from Golf, Mike Echo Sierra 009 QRZ.
Golf Mike for Oscar Alpha Sierra. 2 Mike 0, Whiskey Tango November. GM 4 KHQ. 2 Mexico 0, Sugar Quebec Lima.
2 Mike 0 Sierra Quebec Lima. Good afternoon, Peter. I hope you're well. And yeah, you're about 5'7", 57 over.
Yeah, okay, yeah, Fraser, yeah, you're 5 and 7, 5 and 8 with me, and yeah, not too bad, all things considered, and you had a nice time. MM0, yeah, 5 Pete, 2M0 SQL.
Yeah, thanks for 5 and 7, Pete. Yeah, I've been having a nice time up until this point. This summit is infested with midges, so I've actually had to put a midgie net on, which is probably the first time in my life I've bothered, but they're just, because I'm sitting in a sheltered spot, they're just making a beeline for me, over.
Yeah, that's not so fun. Hopefully a bit of a breeze will turn up, Fraser, but yeah, I know what you mean. I don't like wearing the midgie nets at all, and I refuse to. Just find them very uncomfortable, but nice to see you on. Hopefully it clears up and you can make enough QSO so you can get down the hill. MM0 EFI Pete, 2M0 SQL.
Yeah, 2M0 SQL, MM0 EFI portable. Thanks very much for all the contacts over the last couple of days, really appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, 7-3.
Cheers, Fraser.
Hello. Okay, nothing heard, the midges are killing me, so I'm going QRT. Well, there we go. 9 summits in 3 days, 72 summits on the air activator points. I couldn't be happier. The midges were terrible on that last hill though. I think I might put some stats at the end of this video. I'm not sure what distance I've walked or even what the ascent's been, but it's been a great couple of days. Right, I've just got to get off of this lump and hopefully get my lift at the bottom. See you there. Yeah, it looks a bit different from this side, doesn't it? Down to the glen. Back in the pine woods, just a kilometre to go. But oh, the feet are tired now. It's 1 minute past 5 and I'm back at the car park. Just 1 minute late. That's not bad for 3 days out on the hills.